In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect apps to Hubspot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to streamline your operations by integrating with other applications, this guide will walk you through the process in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and head over to the HubSpot website. You'll land on the homepage where you can access a variety of resources. Once you're there, look towards the upper right-hand corner of your screen and click on the Login button. This is your gateway to accessing HubSpot's powerful tools. After clicking Login, you'll be presented with a few options to sign in. Choosing to sign in with Google is often the quickest route, especially if you already use Google for other services. Simply click on this option and select the account you'd like to use. This seamless sign-in process ensures you're quickly in your HubSpot account and ready to make changes without any unnecessary steps. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the HubSpot interface. Here, you'll find the Marketplace option. The Marketplace is essentially your one-stop shop for all potential integrations, allowing you to connect various apps that can help optimize your efficiency. Click on the Marketplace to open up this window of possibilities. Once inside the HubSpot Marketplace, it's time to look for the specific app you want to connect. Use the search bar to enter the name of the app, which can range from popular CRMs to productivity tools. HubSpot's Marketplace hosts a broad variety of apps, so whether you're looking to integrate your email platform or a project management tool, you're likely to find what you need. After identifying the app of interest, click on Install. It's worth noting that some apps may require you to sign in or provide certain permissions. This is standard, as apps need to communicate effectively with HubSpot to share information or perform functions on your behalf. Follow the prompts to allow the necessary permissions for installation. During this process, you'll be guided through step by step, ensuring that permissions align with what's needed for a smooth integration. And there you have it. Your chosen app is now successfully connected to HubSpot. You can now enjoy a more streamlined workflow with apps sharing relevant data automatically. Whether you're tracking your clients, managing communications, or automating tasks, this integration allows you to maximize HubSpot's capabilities, saving you precious time and effort. That's all it takes to connect an app through HubSpot's Marketplace. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore other ways HubSpot can benefit your business operations. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a great day.